Hi, this is Miss Pam from Connors Elementary School, the Afterschool program. Today we're going to draw a puffin, and I hope you like it. Puffins are very interesting people. They have amazingly colorful beaks, and the whole thing looks complicated, but if you break it down into steps, it's going to be kind of easy. Okay. The picture that we're going to do today is this. Okay. So we're going to draw it first, and then we're going to color it. All right? You can stop the video anytime once we get to doing certain steps. Okay? This puffin has a beak that is only colorful in the spring, and that's when they're trying to find a girlfriend. The rest of the time, his beak is rather gray, and guess what color his feet are? His feet are orangish, and that's why they're such good swimmers, because they have such good feet. I found a book years ago, and I've used this book over and over. It's a book called Project Puffin, How We Brought Puffins Back to Egg Rock. And this is the book, and I'd recommend it to anyone. And it tells you all about how the puffins came back to Maine. They live on the coast, and because of all of these people coming together, mostly volunteers, they go out in the summertime and they work on the islands, and they help to breed, and they help to make sure that things are working for them out there. And as a result, we have now 4,000 puffins on our islands. They're coming back slowly, but they're coming. Okay, so let's make our puffin picture. We saw the picture. So these are the things that you're going to need. The first thing you need is always to get a piece of plastic bag, cut it in half, and that's what you're going to work on so you don't ruin your table. Okay. Materials you need is you need a Draw a Puffin tutorial, and this will be in your packets. That's the top of it, and it shows you how to draw. And I'll do a couple with you so you'll see. And there's the middle line, and there's the bottom line. Now, only picture I have of the color of the puffins is right there in the middle. I colored one for you. See his beak? Isn't that awesome? Okay. All right, so you need that. That'll be in your packets. And you need at least 2 pieces of paper in case you make a mistake. You need the tutorial, the pieces of paper, 2 pencils with good erasers, a black marker, crayons, and a ruler. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is take a plain piece of paper. Let's pretend this is a plain piece of paper. You're going to and a ruler, by the way. So you're going to take a ruler and go across the top with the ruler. And when you find out the midpoint, you're going to make a mark here. Down at the bottom, again, use your ruler, find the midpoint, and then use your ruler and draw down. Okay, so now you have a really light line going down. You're going to turn your paper and do the same thing. Take your ruler, go across, find the midpoint, across the bottom, find the midpoint, and then use your ruler and make a nice straight light colored line going down. So that's going to mean that's your boxes, like on here. See the 4 boxes? So that gives you an idea of where to draw your teardrop, and that's what you're going to draw. The first thing you're going to draw is in the upper 2 boxes, you're going to draw like a teardrop, and that's the head of your puffin. The next one, you're going to draw going down into all 3 of these boxes. So you're going to go from that midpoint and draw right down. So that gives you a sense of where to place your marks. Now, let me tell you a story. I erase a lot. That's why I have 2 pencils with 2 good erasers. So, don't worry, just keep drawing and erasing. That's my motto. Okay? So then you're just going to continue and see how it's done and go all the way to the bottom. Okay? Now again, I've colored this for you, so you can stop your video anytime, especially to color that beak. Okay? All right. So, at the end, you're going to take your big puffin, which you will have drawn on your big paper, and I've given you some colors of what a puffin should look like, but then you can just color it afterwards. Okay? All right. Thank you for listening. I enjoyed this, and thanks for drawing with Miss Pam. If you have any questions, call me 520-8032. Thank you. Bye.